Hey cleaning family, it's Carolyn Arellano, your cleaning business mentor. And in today's YouTube video, we are going to talk about how to order flyers for your cleaning business. So be sure to stick around for the entire video. You guys asked me how to create and print flyers for your cleaning business, so I am here to give you that information. Now, if you are low on funds, like many of us are, you can simply create a one-page, one-sided flyer on a Google document, okay? And then what you want to do is print that document to a local print shop or even a staples.com. Now you can do the order for staples.com online, or you can go in person. Later on in this video, I am going to show you how to print a one-page flyer and what a one-page flyer would look like for me in 2024 if I was starting all over from the beginning. So that's the first economical way. It's just simply putting words on paper and printing them out so that you can start marketing your cleaning business, right? If you're interested in growing your cleaning business to multiple six figures, please be sure to check out my full website, www.cleaningbusinessmentor.com, where there are a number of online courses, free resources, one-on-one coaching calls, and a number of different products and services that I have created for the growing cleaning business owner. Now, the second way to do this is if you have some money, if you have money coming in, or if you have the funds to market your cleaning business, is to hire a professional to create the graphic designs for you. Now, we actually create graphic designs for cleaning businesses in-house, so I will put a link in the description of this video for you guys to get a free quote. Now, we can help you with creating flyers, we can help you with creating pamphlets, business cards, door hangers, logos, whatever it is that you need to get you started, we are here to help. Now, let's say you don't have the funds to hire a professional graphic designer. There is also the option to use platforms such as canva.com. Now, Canva, there is a free version, and then there also is a pro version for $15. Depending on where you're at this time, you can either go with the free or you can upgrade to the professional, which I know and love. Now, once you create that file in Canva for your flyers, you're going to go ahead and save that file and go ahead and print that out at vistaprint.com. Later on in this video, I'm going to show you a tutorial on how to order from vistaprint.com. Now, vistaprint.com, we chose them to print out our flyers because I believe they were a little bit less expensive than Staples, and they have really great quality work, and we just love ordering our marketing materials from them. The only time we really use staples.com is if we are printing in bulk. So those letters that we send out to our customers, anything that we just have to print a lot of and it's just regular paper and ink, we will go to Staples. But these need to be printed, at least we choose to print these at vistaprint.com. If you're interested in professional graphic design work for your cleaning business, please check out the link in the description of this video. We can assist you in making your flyers, pamphlets, door hangers, logos, business cards, and anything that you may need. Okay, so let me show you these flyers that we have for our cleaning business. Now, first I want to say is that we did have our in-house designer create these. So if you really like these formats on these flyers, just reach out to us and we can recreate the same exact format for you, but for your business, right? With your logos, your everything. We can definitely work with you. Now, first, I want to show you the flyer that we have for our residential cleaning. So here we have our spotless logo. We have our tagline, which is relax, let us handle the cleaning, our website, and then we started to list the different services that we provide for residential cleaning. We do have a stock photo of somebody right here. I don't know this woman. We have our phone number, and then we have 7 days a week that we're open, letting our clients know that we're open 7 days. We have some more information about our business, and then if you flip this over, we have, again, our logo. We have a coupon code that says $25 off your first cleaning, and then we have a unique coupon code here. So the reason why we created this unique coupon code is because this coupon code, SPTL25, what it reads here. We have this generated in our ZenMade instant booking form so that when our clients go on to book a cleaning and they input this exact code, they show $25 discount. And it's a really great way to keep track of where the bookings are coming from with your marketing efforts. If you guys are interested in a free 14-day trial for ZenMade, please check out the link in the description of this video. Now here we have the different recurring services that we provide. We have a seal here just letting you know that we are insured and bonded. And then of course we have the website. Now, the reason why we don't like to print these out in bulk is because things change. You might add on services. You might change your phone number. You might change your website name. Things happen to change in business all the time, especially if you are starting off with a free phone number, a free, Gmail, and then later on upgrade. So don't print too many of these at one time. So this is the residential cleaning one that we have. I'll just show you guys again very quickly. And this is the one that we have for our commercial cleaning services. Now on this side, we have our logo, we have our business name, we then have our tagline, all of the different types of services that we provide. So janitorial, post-construction, power washing. Then we have, again, our phone number, 7 days a week, stock photo of a woman, and then most importantly, the QR code to our website. Now, I created a unique landing page for this QR code because, again, I want to be able to track where these bookings are coming in from and whether or not our marketing efforts are paying off. Now, on this side, I have another logo, another stock photo, 100% fully insured and bonded, so people know that, our website, and then the types of facilities that we service. So offices, education, banks, mobile offices, the different types of facilities. So again, you guys want to make sure that you don't leave any information out, phone number, email address, link to the website. Give them as much information as you possibly can so that they are not left with any questions, you guys. And these are what our flyers look like. If you'll notice, this one is a little bit more flimsy than this one. We went with this grade of paper because it was less expensive, but it's really up to you. You can decide at checkout what it is that you want to go with as far as the size of the paper, whether it's going to be glossy, whether it's going to be a matte finish, but I'll show you guys that further into this video. All right, so I am going to give you a tutorial on how to place an order for your flyers. Now, let's say you went the inexpensive route and you created the flyer yourself on Google Documents. This is the type of information that I would put on a Google Doc. That QR code takes you to my website. You guys can just type in how to create a QR code in Canva and it will take you to it. So let's say you're done, putting all the information that we talked about earlier in the video. Then you're going to go to File, and you are going to save this as a PDF document. So we're going to go to Download and then click PDF document. Now you want to go ahead and open up another tab for staplesonline.com. Now you probably will have to create an account, but it's free, so don't worry about it. Now from the home screen, we're going to go to Print and Copy. And then from Print and Copy, we're going to go to Document Printing, which is right here. So we are going to now print that flyer that we created for free in Google Docs. And again, this is the inexpensive route. The next step is going to be clicking Simple Print. We're going to start a project and we're going to upload the file now. So it's from my computer and I do happen to know the name. So I'm going to upload that PDF document right here. We're going to wait till it gets to 100 and then click Continue. Now we are going to choose from some different options. So this is totally up to you, but I'm just going to show you how I would do this on a budget. So first, you always want to pick the paper size of 8 by 5 by 11. That is the size of a regular piece of paper, and as well as the flyers that I'm going to be showing you next. You want to pick portrait for the most part. I like to print portrait, not so much landscape. We're going to leave the scale to fit checked. Now here you get to pick the different paper types. We're going to pick 24 pounds because that is the least inexpensive for single side printing, which we're doing. Then I'm going to pick black ink because again, we're going the inexpensive route. This is for my cleaning family that is on a budget and doesn't have any marketing funds. So we're going to pick 100 copies. Let's just see if this recalculates. Okay, so 100 copies. And then we're going to choose the delivery method. And of course, you don't have to print 100. You can print 50. You can print as many as you'd like. But we can choose to do a few things. We can choose to get them delivered. If you don't have the time, you will pay for the shipping. I like to pick up. You can pick the store location near you. And then you're just going to add it to your cart and then follow the prompts to finish checking out. You will get an email from Staples when your printing is done. Another option is to just go ahead and print them in store. I don't like to wait around, but it depends on the mood, right? So here you can see for $27, under $28, we are going to print 100 copies of these homemade flyers. Now, let's say you guys do have some money for marketing and you want your flyers to be a little bit more professional and leveled up. What I would do is head over to my website, www.cleaningbusinessmentor.com. Go ahead and click on our marketing material design page. Here is where you're going to see all the different marketing material designs that we offer for cleaning businesses, as well as any other business. But again, my main focus is helping other cleaning business owners. So if you need a logo, business card designs, flyers, and pamphlets, these are all here for you. So what you would do is go ahead and place an order for your flyer designs, okay? Now, these are going to be double-sided flyers. What you will be paying for is the graphic design files. You are not going to be paying for this, and the printing is not included. So I do want to make that very clear. Once you buy the flyer design, you then have to print them out. So you buy the designs from me. We talk about what you want on there. I show you some samples, and then you're going to go ahead and head over to vistaprint.com. Now, actually, I did want to just show you some flyer. These are just some examples of some flyer designs that we've made in the past. So this is the one that I was showing you guys earlier, the front. And then this is the back of one of the flyers that I was showing you earlier on in the video. So you would get these files and they would be yours. And then you would have to go ahead and actually put the print order. So for whatever reason, this doesn't want to open right now. Oh, there it is. So that's the back of the flyer. So you'll get a front and a back. And then I'll show you another flyer design that we have. Also the front and the back. It's a little bit different, but really kind of has like the same information, right? So this was an older flyer design where we actually, decided to do residential on one side and commercial services on the other. So if you want that done, just go ahead, click buy now, go through the prompts, and somebody from my business will give you a call and we will work on getting a professional flyer. Or you can go ahead and head over to canva.com and create your own flyer design. However, I will tell you that if you're going to invest money into printing these, you want them to look legit. Now, let's say you went ahead and had that professional flyer made by a designer. You're going to log in to your Vistaprint account or create one, right? If you guys are not familiar with this. So let's go ahead and log into Vistaprint. I'm not quite sure whose account this is, but we're going to just go ahead. So let's say now you're ready to print a flyer. So what you're going to do is head over to print, advertising, and office, and we're going to look for flyers under marketing materials. Okay, so let's go through these prompts and I can show you how to place your order. So first you want to pick the orientation. Horizontal is going to be this way. Always think of like the horizon. Vertical is going to be like this. So we do want them to be vertical. Next, we're going to pick a size. As I mentioned, the 8.5 by 11 is a typical size for a flyer or a piece of printing paper. Now, here is where you can play with the thickness of the paper. The thicker the paper, the heavier the paper, the more add-ons that you add, the more expensive it's going to be. So up to you and your budget on what you would like. So let's just say we go ahead and pick the 5-point uncoated no finish for, math's sake. Then you're going to notice, okay, so for $25, if I order, I'm going to get them for $1 a piece. So let's say we want to do 100. Okay, so for $60, you can print 100. So as you can see, there's actually, like double what you'd be paying for the printing portion of that inexpensive flyer, but these are a lot more professional. Okay, and oh, that's cool. PayPal has some kind of interest-free payments if you guys need that. Now, we are going to upload the design, which would be the files that the designer is going to provide you with, right? So we are going to choose to upload. And again, this is just for practice purposes. This is the front. Then we're going to choose, again, upload designs. And then we're going to upload the back. Okay, so we're uploading the files from our desktop or laptop. So as you can see, one says commercial, one says residential. Whatever it is, just make sure that you have the right files uploaded, because you don't want to print something with two of the same side. All right, you can click preview if you'd like to see what it's going to look like, front and back. I highly suggest that. Again, you don't want to pick the wrong file, God forbid. Then you want to click finish. Okay, now you have to review your design. I know mine is reviewed and approved. I'm just going to go ahead and hit next. Now we're going to wait for this to load. And they're going to try to upsell you on a bunch of stuff. If you want to take your time to look at it, go ahead. But I'm just going to click through and go to continue. Right? They give you options about pens and cups and all that stuff. And that's awesome. If you can afford that, go for it. I'm all about branding. All right. So now we can see for 100 flyers, this is going to cost us about $87 after tax. Now, as I mentioned earlier, I don't like to order way too many of these because I might update something on here or add a service or change a phone number. So, I would do maybe 250. Because as you can see, 100 is going to cost you 86. 250 is 136. And the more that you order, they give you a price break. But I wouldn't do more than probably $250 or $500 unless you're very confident in the fact that all the information is there and it's not going to change, right? So that is how you actually order the flyers. So I've went over everything that you need to know in this YouTube video, and I really hope that you found this to be helpful. I will have other videos on, the other marketing materials that your cleaning business will need. If you guys happen to find this video educational and informational, please be sure to give me a like, hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell, and of course, please check out my members only YouTube community where I have exclusive videos, exclusive lives, and it's just a lot more intimate with me on YouTube.